Go to Access Management, Department. Click on the green Add button. Fill out the name of department to be added, then click Confirm. Go to Access Management, Positions. Click on the green Add button. Fill out the name of position to be added, then click Confirm. You can also fill the description according to your needs. Now go to Access Management, Users. Search the user you wish to edit. Then click on the green Edit User button. Change department and position of the user. Select the new department and position, which recently added. Then click on the green Save and Close button.